So we're gonna do this new thing once a month, and it's we have these jars and try and convey different emotions through different types of videos. With excitement and educational, we both thought of the same thing: food. And when we thought food, we thought Italian. So we're gonna be making one of my favorite dishes today, if not my favorite dish, lasagna, and it's gonna get crazy. We have ground beef. We need to cook that. Juicy. So now we have our cooked beef, and we don't need this. We need to cook our onions, combine them, but to cook the onions we need our helper, so Kate. And now that the onions are done, we need more wine because you're out.
Oh,
so
no.
Pour yourself some wine.
Tragedy.
I know. Do you want to break this? We now have ricotta, 1 egg, and parsley and oregano mixture that we're gonna add in later. We also have all the sauce, and I got super fancy with the sauce. Legos passata. So while she grates that, I'm gonna go ahead and smash up this garlic. Bam! Bam! Now that this garlic's done, you just throw it into whatever, because it's all going into the same pan. So then you just mix that one thing. And then beef, we're gonna mix that beef. And we're gonna mix the onions. We have quite a bit of cheese. That's gonna come to be a crucial factor in the lasagna. This is what we think we're gonna make the lasagna in, but this is what we want to make the lasagna in. I'm not making my own pasta. Pre-cooked sheets.
Ooh.
There are literally no directions.
Let me think.
We're gonna take some spaghetti sauce, then we're gonna layer these in the bottom. I'm cutting these so that they fit in this dish well enough. So then we're gonna lay down a little bit of cheese.
Add more cheese!
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more cheese. Ricotta. Generous lumps of ricotta. Then we're gonna take some of this meat. You just grab it with your hands. Then we're gonna add some more cheese. Cooked onions. Ooh, those are hot. Then we're gonna add some more sauce. All right. So if you guys wanna get a look at the first full layer, here you go. So you can see we have a ricotta, we have our sauce, we have our beef, our extra cheese before the next layer, 2 layers of cheese. Because realistically, if it's just pasta shells and cheese, nobody's gonna be mad. So we have our first layer of everything, our next layer, and I'm just gonna layer these back on here. And then we get the sauce. I don't know how much, just enough. A little bit of that. We forgot the first layer of cheese. So we're gonna add all of this in and then spread it all out together. This is definitely how you make it. So then you just spread this around so that it's just one cohesive layer. And it works out, you know? It's all one level in between the pasta sheets. Kate, I need you again. Hey, okay, what do you think on the cheese to sauce ratio?
Oh, I think you need more cheese.
More cheese?
Yeah,
okay, more cheese.
I think you need more cheese.
Preheat to 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. I'm just so glad that we have enough pastries for this large pan, because we're about to eat lasagna for how many days?
5.
2.
Oh.
Maybe. If we push it, we won't eat all this tonight. Oh, I forgot one crucial part that you're not gonna...
Oh.
that you're not a fan of.
You don't have to add it.
You probably forgot to tell me about.
You don't have to add
on
those.
purpose.
You don't have to. It's
I
okay.
love canned mushrooms. And for 98% of you guys out there, I know it's super weird.
I don't know if weird's the word to say.
Oh no.
What is it?
It's the outside says mushrooms sliced.
Is it really?
That's not sliced mushrooms.
Sorry, Dave.
It's okay. Is this bench filthy right now?
Yes, but are you cleaning it anyways?
Okay, so we have our lasagna, and we have one lasagna sheet left.
That's a half.
1.5. Let's get a close-up of this final product.
Look at those cheese and layers. Look at those beef and layers.
What are you doing? For educational and excitement, you got Amy and Kate making just the weirdest lasagna you've ever seen. First of all, there's not a top pasta sheet on this. It just has this little guy. So you have a really weird double family size lasagna that we'll probably eat in 1.5 sittings. And we're gonna go pop this in the oven now and drink the rest of this bottle of wine. And then we'll see where we see you in an hour or so.
I suppose I could do dishes.
Yeah. Suppose you could.
I suppose.
Taking a bite of a cheese block. How was that?
Cheesy.
It's too much cheese.
No. You didn't add any? Oh no!
Okay, so a quick update. We also only put beef in it and forgot to put all our other meats in it. So we're just gonna slice this pepperoni real quick and put it on top, and it's gonna act like the additional top pasta layer because we want it to.
I feel good. Pepperoni, pepperoni.
Who do you know that can cut 20 pepperonis at once?
You. You got cocky.
I got cocky. I lost sight.
Let it set 10 minutes.
Add some Parmesan and a good glass of wine and you should be good to go. Hopefully this lasagna recipe makes you want to go out there and cook a little bit yourself, or at least go buy some Italian food because this is delicious. So, see you next time. Did I even put it on your mouth?
I don't know, but I liked it.